Good morning, everyone. It's Gail with Traders Help Desk. And in this video, I just wanted to go over some of the stuff that we were doing this morning in the coaching sessions. First, you can see that both the daily and the 360 are indicating a possible retracement from the huge move that we had the last couple of days. The one thing that I do notice is that currently it's getting caught at this fast moving average. Usually that's not a good sign. But then when you went down to the lower time frames, they were actually showing you that you were going to have a downward move. You can see that it's come to the congestion dot, and it looks like it may come back down to the ATR. Now, while we were in the room in demo mode, because it was a training session, you can see that I actually showed a short here, and we actually covered it here. Now, that was on the futures. And I also showed that you could have done the same thing with a touch bracket with a limited risk environment, which is what I would have done. Now, while we were in the room, I told them I anticipated it would come back and test this area, and we may get another short off of that area. So in this case, you see that it did come back and test that area, went up above it by about 10 points, and that actually equaled the congestion dot, actually tagged the congestion dot, and then formed the reversal bar to the downside. Now again, you could have waited for that retracement, for that test, to make sure that the moving averages were going to act as resistance and re-entered the same touch bracket. Now, both touch brackets actually made a little over $100 each. Okay, so now you've got three areas here that may support price. Okay, that's what I would be waiting to see today. Does this support price? And if it does, then you could take a long position to the upside. Okay, but remember, at the market opening, we may get some downward movement. It could come down and test this ATR before it continues up. In addition to that, I showed him the difference between entering a position on like the Euro yen. I think we went short here, which I was about one bar late. And then I actually exited that here. And again, this is in demo mode, but it shows how you could have used the lower time frames to actually capture a move from the 60-minute or the 360. Now, also did a binary option on this, which made a profit. It did not expire worthless, but it did make a profit. So there was multiple ways to trade the moves today. And again, we teach all of these techniques in the coaching sessions, which are held Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 6 a.m. Currently, I do have a special where you get the TradingView indicators and the coaching session for $13.95 per year. And I have posted the link below. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.